Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our next lesson of English Bal Bharti Standard 1, Unit number 3, Lesson number 4. Let's know more about animals. In this lesson, we will learn about shelters and sounds of some animals. Here you can see three columns, one for animals, one for shelters, and one for sounds. So, dear students, watch the video carefully and repeat after me. First one is hen. Hen, hen. Shelter of hen, coop. Coop, coop. And sound of hen is cluck. Cluck. Next one is horse. Horse. Shelter of horse is stable. Stable. And sound of horse is knee. Knee. Next one is dog. Dog. Shelter of dog is kennel. 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 And sound of dog is bark. Bark. Next one is lion. Lion. And shelter of lion is den. Den. And sound of lion is roar. Roar. Next one is elephant. Elephant. And shelter of elephant is jungle. 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 And sound of elephant is trumpet. Trumpet. Next one is bee. Bee. And shelter of bee is beehive. 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 And sound of bee is buzz. Buzz. Next one is mouse. Mouse. And shelter of mouse is hole. Hole. And sound of mouse is squeak. 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 Last one is duck. Duck. And shelter of duck is water. 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 And sound of duck is quack. Quack. Quack.